Meaning of gender reassignment.
Gender reassignment.
Gender reassignment.
Gender reassignment.
Gender reassignment. Gender reassignment refers to the process of changing one's gender identity, often through medical procedures such as hormone therapy and gender confirmation surgery. This process is typically undertaken by individuals who experience gender dysphoria, a condition in which a person feels distress due to a mismatch between their gender identity and their sex assigned at birth. The ultimate goal of gender reassignment is to help individuals live in a way that aligns with their internal sense of self and alleviate any associated distress. Successful gender reassignment can lead to improved mental health, self-esteem, and quality of life.